Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to set up SEO in Shopify. SEO helps our store appear in Google search and attract more customers. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First I go to Shopify admin, then click on online store, then click on preference. Here I enter store title as this is what shows in search engine. Next, I add meta description. So this help customer understand our store when they see it in search. So click on save. Next, go to products. Select any product. Scroll to search engine. Here click on edit. Now here I edit product SEO details. Next, I give a description to improve the visibility. Okay, done. Then click on save. Okay, now we can add alt text to image. This helps search engine understand the image. So click on image of the product, then add alt text here, then click on save. So this is how we can set up SEO in Shopify. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.